Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a simple recipe on how to get rid of redness or red spots from your face. You only need two simple ingredients for this, which is besan or gram flour and some fresh orange juice. So now let's prepare the mixture. Peel off the outer layer of the orange and blend it in a blender. The consistency should not be too thick or too thin. So now let me show you guys how to apply this. Make sure to wash your face using a face wash before applying this mixture. Now take the leftover orange juice and dip a cotton round into it and squeeze out the excess and gently apply it all over your face. This helps to remove excess oil and dirt and will also cleanse and tone your skin. Orange is rich in citric acid, which is very helpful in drying away acne. Oranges contain fruit acids that gently exfoliate your skin to reveal a brighter skin every day. Now apply the face pack evenly on your face. I love using a brush to do this as it's more convenient, but you can also use your hands to do this. This pack gives you an instant glow. It makes the skin smooth and soft. Gram flour or besan or chickpea flour is one among grandma's favorite beauty secrets. It is known to fight numerous skin problems including blemishes, pimples, dark skin and dull and lifeless skin. Besan is known for its bleaching properties. Thus, it helps to reduce red spots or redness on your face. Besan is known to remove dirt and toxins from deep within. It also has antimicrobial properties. Whether it is used alone or with a combination of orange juice, it is definitely a super hit formula for your skin. Orange juice works effectively for shrinking the open pores. Oranges contains high amount of vitamin C, which helps to reduce dark spots and red spots from the face if used regularly. It is also known for its anti-aging properties. After applying the face mask all over your face, let it sit for around 30 minutes or until it dries. Now, wash it off with normal tap water and pat dry. Do this 2 to 3 times a week to see visible results. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and please subscribe if you haven't already and also click on the bell button for the future video notifications. So thank you guys. Bye. Love you.